Welcome to this week's Keuchel's Corner. This week we'll be talking about fascia and its role within the body and how it can help to reduce some of the pains that you've been feeling and also help to improve our function. So fascia is a really important part of the care that I'm providing here, really big focus. It can be thought of as more of the connective web that holds together all the bones, muscles, and nerves throughout the body. A lot of times diagnoses and treatments are really focused on one specific muscle, one nerve, or one joint that's not moving how it should be, whenever the real issue may be lying within the fascia itself. So the fascia, as you can see here, runs all throughout the body, and its function is to transmit force between different muscle groups and between the bones and different structures within the body to improve the amount of performance that we have. So over time, different injuries, different forces, different traumas that happen can create restrictions and distortions within the body, and it starts to create a system that is not functioning efficiently or properly, and start to reduce some of the mobility that we have, and will show up with pain and stiffness, and a lot of times decreased performance, and even sometimes a recurrent injury that just doesn't seem to go away. I want to pull up a video real quick showing how the human body is supposed to move and glide. You can see through here the different white markings. Those are more of the fascial lines that are taking place. The fascia plays a big role in connection points throughout the body, so just giving you an idea of all the different areas in which the fascia can play a role, and then how it can create a little bit limited performance. So it's something like tennis right here, where we're swinging overhead. There's not one specific muscle, one specific bone, or one specific joint that is working. It's one fluid system, so making sure that we create and maintain the elasticity that we need through our fascia is very, very important to excel in a sport such as tennis, running, or anything else that involves movement in general. So different ways we can address the fascia to get it to perform how we want it to is through manual techniques, or through dry needling, cupping, or scraping. There's other modalities that can be used as well. Those are the ones I stick with the most, because that's ultimately what I feel creates the best blood flow to the area and helps to create that glide that we want. This is something that is very, very important to treat early on within injuries, also throughout time, as we go on throughout our lives and create new aches and pains that pop up. Overall, what we're trying to do whenever we treat the fascia itself is to get movement. Movement is the ultimate medicine within the body. Once we start moving how we're supposed to, it creates a positive feedback loop and will send in all the nutrients we need to keep that movement going how we want it to. Otherwise, it starts to freak out and create tightness and compression within the body system itself. So ultimately, when we're treating the fascia, we're really trying to restore movement. Once we get the movement that we want, that's going to reinforce the healing process and get us where we want to be even sooner. So if you have any questions about fascia and how it may be holding you back from your recovery, and maybe how it's contributing to the pain that you have, feel free to reach out to me at the email I have provided, as well as the number that's provided here, and we can schedule you a visit or get to work a little bit sooner on what you have going on. If you have any more questions, definitely don't hesitate to reach out. I look forward to doing more of these videos. Hope this makes sense, and hope you understand a little bit why it's so important to me and why I focus so much on it within the practice that I have here. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.